My name is Dr. Olu Phillips. I'm an engineer and a fellow of the Academy of Engineering. I've been part of Omatek now for about 10 years, and I sit on the board as a director of the board. And I followed Omatek right from inception, and I would say that we are very pleased with what we've been able to achieve within a very short period. I assist mostly in the technical committee, and I advise also particularly in the area of educational needs. As far as the working in the technical committee is concerned, we work with the foreign partners and also with the local engineers in the assembly and also in the specifications of the various products that Omatek produce, and also the best way to achieve maximum capital and also capacity utilization. In the area of educational needs, I think Omatek is in the forefront, particularly in the e-learning. I am chairman of Darwin College Lagos, and we embrace e-learning, and I know that many also of the international schools embrace e-learning, and also the quality of desktop computers and the laptops that are produced by Omatek compare very favorably with any of those that are imported. And one thing that stands out about Omatek is the after-sales service that they perform. This has really impressed many of their customers in that the engineers and technical advisors from Omatek are always readily available to attend to your needs. I have known Florence Seriki since our graduation from University of Ife, now Obafemi Awolowo University, with a degree in chemical engineering. She was introduced to me by one of her uncles, who was my engineering supervisor, and I made every effort to recruit Florence. But her restlessness was very apparent at that time, that she was very, very much driven and very much anxious to achieve and establish herself. So I'm not surprised when she ventured into the computer world and has excelled. This is what informed me when she invited me to join her board, that I will join and give her all the support and the encouragement. Don't forget that we have women in various areas, but when it comes into manufacturing and production, we don't have too many. So Florence is a trailblazer in that area. And as an engineer myself, I appreciate many of the things that we've been able to achieve in terms of the type of products that we produce in Omatek. Well, I am basically a petroleum engineer, and I spent 35 years in the petroleum industry. And you want to note that in the petroleum industry, the breakthrough time is much longer than in many other industries. Your payout for many of the projects could be almost about 10 years, particularly now in the deep water. So this also applies to information technology. The shareholders have to be patient to allow the products to penetrate more into the market. And we should be thinking about volume now, not just return on investment. If we can grow the company and increase the capacities in the factories, and also increase also the product lines, then the revenues generated will be very much enhanced. With the revenues enhanced, the profitability of the company also will be enhanced. And this will yield a lot of dividends to the shareholders. But for now, they should just allow the investment to manifest itself in terms of better revenues and in better profitability in the near future. I think that Nigerians should encourage our local manufacturers, and in particular where we need the government to be in two areas. The cost of funds is very high in Nigeria, and also the operating cost is very high. This reflects in the profitability of many manufacturing companies. These are two areas where government can help us to reduce the cost of funds and also to minimize operating costs. Thank you.